Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, time for magic. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, today I'm going to show you an amazing trick with just 3 cards. It's an easy trick, it looks really amazing, but you need to look down here and check it out. Alright, here's a really cool trick using only 3 cards, a blue one in the middle, red one on top, and 1 red in the bottom. Anyways, all you have to do is just keep an eye on the queen. It's going to be easy to find because it's a different color. But don't be fooled. All I have to do is place the queen in the middle. These other 2 cards, all I have to do is place 1 on each side. But follow the queen. Keep an eye on the queen because it's going to get mixed up. Have you figured it out? Do you know where the queen is at? Do you want a hint? You see these 2 red cards? If you look at them, they're just 9s. Isn't that cool? You're saying this is the queen. Wrong. It's actually a joker. Isn't that cool? Anyways, I'll tell you the secret right now. Don't go nowhere. Okay, where's the queen? Point at it.
The middle.
Are you sure?
Yes.
What card is this?
The queen.
It's the joker.
What? That makes no sense.
And now for the secret. Alright, here's the secret. The secret is really easy. You do have a blue one, a red one, and another red one. The secret is that when you show them the cards and you pull out the queen, it's really not a queen. You see, even though you can see these cards, 9s, that one is not a queen, it's actually a joker. Isn't that cool? I'll show you the secret. The secret is that you have actually 2 cards, 2 9s, and a joker. But there's another secret. You also have a half a card. Isn't that cool? It's actually a flat card. It's really easy to do. All you do is cut a piece of a queen in an angle like so. Open it up. Place some tape on this side and just fold it in. You're going to grab the joker and place that one inside the flap. It has to be nicely aligned. So then you grab the other 9, which is a regular card, and you're just going to place it right on top, and you're going to hold it from the bottom here. Turn it around, pull out what they think it's a queen when in reality it's a jack, close it up, show them 2 9s. All I did is just closed it up like so, and it hides the queen. Place those on the side, give it a mix, however you like, and then you tell them you're going to give them a hint. You're going to grab 2 red cards, put them crisscross, so when you turn them around, it covers the queen. And then you throw the card over here, show them the other one. They think they saw 2 9s, and they think this is the queen. When you turn it around, to their surprise, it's the joker. It's a really cool trick. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and have fun. You can see Nugget in the background with his feet up. Isn't that cool?